Hey everybody, so today let's do a home smoke alarm search in Chicago. I want to see what smoke alarms we're going to stumble across today, and I'm hoping there's some new listings. I'm just still blown that I found an SC6120B first gen that one day. But let's see what we can find today. What is this? Oh, I4618. So we're already off to a kidda start. Oh no, one of these. Yeah, I've heard so much bad things about those. That they like to false alarm and all that. So those things are just junk. Another I4618. Why'd you have to replace the KNCOSM IBAs with that? Bad move, kidda. I'm really not fond that they did that. Alrighty, so now it's looking this one. Oh, is this under construction? Or is this being renovated? Yeah, it's being renovated. So it looks like we're not going to have anything to find in here. So, yeah, nothing to see here. That sucks. Okay, let me set a filter real quick. Must have 3D tour. Let's see, does that help? Showcase. Let's see, does this have a 3D tour? Oh, built in 2005, so we're probably not going to have anything special. Or have I already been in this one? Yep, it was that one with 9120Bs. I always like to see if there are any new listings. Let's see. Have I been in this one before? I don't think I have yet. What is that? I don't even know what that is. Looks like a kid of some sort. If we can't find anything good here today, we'll go to a different city. 3D tour. Oh, we got an apartment. Okay, let's see what we can find in here. Oh, one of these. Yeah, I have a buddy of mine. He lives in an apartment. His apartment has one of those as well. It's a kiddish something. It's not really worth screenshotting. Because it's just modern. Or I wouldn't say modern. I don't know. I like older BRKs and older Firexes the best. That one day when I was given the 1839 Nightmare, I guess I would say. I guess that's what I should say when my smoke alarm's false alarm. I should call that the 1839N Nightmare. I don't know. But except mine are not BRK 1839Ns. Mine are Kidda I12060As, and I put a couple 4120Bs up. As you may have noticed in my video where I did the smoke can reviews. Yeah, that day was fun. I liked going around and doing that. I think I did that yesterday, if I'm remembering correctly. Yeah, I did it yesterday. I don't know why. I guess I'm just tired. Okay, this one has that Firex G6 G18 Model H, whatever it is. I'd have to take it out of the ceiling to see what it exactly is. I'm gonna have to read the model on the one in my aunt's basement when I get the opportunity. I know me and my aunt were gonna try and find the breaker for that at one point. She tried once. She and my uncle went around that house with me on FaceTime and tried. Because I asked her if I could FaceTime so I could see the smoke alarms. So yeah, I did that over FaceTime. It's really weird how it's set up. But yeah, I would like to see if I can get that out of the basement at one point. I plan on it. On helping my uncle with that project. I know it may annoy my cousins. I don't know. I wouldn't think they would pay attention to it or be bothered by it. I was going to do one of these Thursday night, but I ended up falling asleep before I even could. What is that? Wait, I've never seen that. Is that a smoke alarm or is that... Why do you set a smoke alarm on there? Great spot for a smoke alarm. You want that either on the ceiling or high up on the wall. That's definitely worth screenshotting. There we go. Why do you leave a smoke alarm sitting on top of a cabinet? A missing thermostat. That's nice. Oh, wait, what could that be? Because they have it up here too, and then... Oh, wait, that's a Kidda. That's a Kidda, I think it's an i9010. Yeah, it's the battery-operated model of the i12060A. Okay, let's see. What's in this basement? Probably the same thing. That's what I'd assume. Oh! Cool, a KNCOPED. Or wait, what is that? Is that... What is that? Is that bear... Oh, okay, yeah, it is a KNCOPED. I was wanting to make sure it wasn't one of those trash TrueSense ones. Because those TrueSense ones were recalled. They were recalled in, like, I don't know, 2020? because or it was either 2019 or 2020 due to they failed to detect smoke and all that fun stuff. No, that's not fun. It was sarcasm. But I know they were recalled. I know for a fact they were recalled. Those showcase homes are hard to look through. Alright, yeah, I researched that one. That one had that FireX G6, whatever you want to name it. Or, oh, here we go. Here's something. Or, no, that was the one with the G6. I'm hoping to find some, like, okay, surprise, surprise, I find one of those. Let's go downstairs. Or, I wonder when this was built. Seeing when this was built may, will give me a little bit more of an idea of, like, is that a voltage meter? If that is, then I can't even tell. I've been trying to learn how to use mine, but I've had no luck. I may see if my uncle can teach me more about it. A smoke alarm above a TV. I would love to watch Family Guy or SpongeBob on that TV, or Big Bang Theory. Farts. Whoopee cushions is my favorite toy in the whole world. Or I guess I wouldn't say toy, it's a practical joke. That's what whoopee cushions are. What are these? Is that a Wi-Fi router or is that a smoke alarm? You would think that there would be like, oh, there's the smoke alarms. Oh, wow, is that a... Oh. Cool. 9120B next to a CO5120BN. Pretty neat. I'm not sure if that replaced the CO5120B. It may have. I don't know. Depending on the year this was built, that would give me a little bit more of an idea. But I would, if it were me, I would put the carbon monoxide alarm near the or I guess that technically is near the laundry area. It's outside the bathroom. So, let's see, did I look in that house? Yeah, I think I already did. Okay, let's see what's in here. There may be something in here. Well, let's find out. Down the stairs we go. There is a light fixture. At first I thought that was a smoke alarm, but nope, it's a light fixture. Oh, I-12060A. That's a newer one, too. These ones, the hush buttons actually work. They did for me, at least. It hushes it up to 10 minutes. And then if there's still smoke after 10 minutes, I think it will start going off again. I discovered that when I was testing the one in the game room. I just wanted to test out the hush feature, so I sprayed that one with the smoke saver, and then I pressed the hush button, and it worked for once. On my KNCOPEIC, I couldn't even get it to work on that. Okay, that one's missing. Really? Why do people leave smoke alarms missing? I don't understand. I never really understood that. That's a good... Let's see, what's the next... Let's see, let's look on this page to see what there is. Okay, is this like a 4 or 3 story apartment? Alright, let's see, what are we gonna find? Hopefully something cool. Nest Protect. Okay. Those are a little too fancy for me. But not a bad find. Oh, I missed that one up there. My bad. Up. Family Guard FG83R. Family Guard FG83R. Cool. What do we have next? Alright, here, let's look at this one. I think Family Guard FG83Rs are from the 90s. I would need confirmation if I want to know the truth. So there is an I-4618 in this house. Or, that's a townhome, I think it is. Let's see, what's in here? There's a wall mount siren. Oh. This is... I don't think I've seen that before. I have in a couple videos of these home searches. I think that one closest to the wall is a carbon monoxide alarm of some sort. But I don't know what brand or model it is. I forget which city had many of those Spectralord advances. Or because that was very advanced for me. Pardon the spectral or advanced pun. I guess I shouldn't even say pardon. It was intentional, so duh, when I say a pun, usually it's intentional. Or it's almost always intentional, knowing how many puns I tell a day. When I'm out interacting with people, oh yeah, I tell about, I don't even know, more than 30 puns a day. It's a lot. It's funny though how much I tell. And some of them are fart puns. Like when I'm with my friends who like toilet humor, yeah, I tell a lot of those. That's because those are the funniest ones. Really? Okay, well, let's see. It decided to freeze up on me. Alright, let's see what we got in here. This one looks a little promising, or have I been in this one? I have not. A vintage light fixture, so I guess that's more promising. I don't even know. Nope. That's gotta have been replaced at one point. SA 300 or 303. These are decent battery operated ones, I guess. I got some of those a couple weeks ago at Target. I also got a couple whoopee cushions when I was at that Target round. When I was at Target doing my usual. I love Target. I'm not gonna lie. What? Oh, that must be. I thought that was a smoke alarm for a second, but nope. It's not. Let's see. Oh, I thought I saw one on the... Oh, one of these. I think that's a KNCOSM IB. If I'm correct on that. I've seen a whole bunch of these. But I've never really heard one go off in person. I have heard them in videos, in several videos, but I've seen them in person, but never going off in person. Because a couple of my aunts used to have them. One of them had hers on the security system, and then she said it started beeping, and she had to get it replaced. Sad thing is, the security company had to do it. I wouldn't have been able. If it's on the security system, nah. I don't know how to wire those. If it's 120 volts AC power, that's different. Or just single station AC power, or even interconnecting, that's different. I know how to do that type of stuff. I've done it several times. Let's see what's in here. Now, really? Just hoping for something good. Wah. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is that one that looked vintage but ended up finding modern. Yep, I'm not seeing any smoke alarms. I'm on the lookout though. Have I looked down this hallway? If they don't have smoke alarms, I don't know how this would be safe if it doesn't have smoke alarms. That looks like an office sort of thing. Come on, I don't even know where it's at. Or is that it? That may be. I don't know. That looks like something a light fixture would hang on. Let's see what's in here. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, I'm tired. Oh, look, a bathroom fan. Kitchen fan, sort of thing. Plug and play carbon monoxide, and I think that's a P12040 if I'm seeing it correctly. Look at that. Is this a closet or a bedroom? I don't even know. Let's see what's over here. Oh, I thought that was going to be some wire boxes, but nope, that's an AC vent. Wait, come on. Did I gotta go back out in the hallway. Let's see, what? Smoke alarms. Okay, am I not able to see that? What the heck? I wanna see the smoke alarms. I can't even tell. Okay, there was one that was yellow, so those don't look like anything special. Okay, when was this one built? Oh, this one may have something good. Let's see. Hopefully. Yep. Figured. The CL5120B. Next to a weird looking smoke alarm or smoke detector, whatever you want to know it as. That may be the thumbnail, who knows? There may have been a 4120B there. The first generation. Unless there's one located around here. Cool. I'm glad to finally find another one of those. I love those. My house used to have one, but I had to take it down, but I've explained that story. That I had one in my house that now is in my collection. Just glad I kept it. Can COP, I see. I feel like I've been in this one before. Yeah, I have, I think. Another KNCOPEIC. These apartments have really good stuff, I must say. These can tend to have really good stuff. Alrighty, let's see. Nope, just a smoke alarm on a wall. Oh, it's a first alert of some sort. Is that a police scene manual? I can't even tell. A FedEx and USPS truck. That's pretty trucking cool. Alrighty, let's see. What's in here? Ooh, what is this? It's a fire extinguisher. Okay, I think we have an ADC. Either code 3 AD or ADC. If it's from like the mid 2000s, I would guess ADC. Because I have both the ADC and the code 3 AD. That code 3 AD, I'm just glad I saved it from Lowe's. It was crying for help, that smoke alarm. Because if it weren't for me, it would have gotten thrown away. Let's just say that. Because I'm sure it would have. It would have ended up in the trash before I could even save it. But I'm glad I did. Because I thought about... I checked the back before I took the alarm to make sure it was it wasn't an ADC like the one I have, like the 4 that I have, and it ended up being the rare code 3 AD. So if it weren't for me, it would have gotten, even though it doesn't work, I saved it. Now let's see. Is there anything down here? Looks like a workshop of some sort. I would love to have a shop like this. And I could just put the smoke alarms down there. Oh, look. I'm surprised I missed that. Or I guess I am. I'm not surprised. Another ADC or AD. Yep, either code 3 AD or ADC. Let's check to see when 1892, so that would definitely have been added. Let's see what's in here. Oh, one of those. That's a pretty... That's a... I don't know if that was added. I wouldn't think so. Or I would. It would probably was if that was built, like, in the late 2010s. SC9120B. I like these. That has the newer First Alert logo too, like mine. That may be an SMI 102 AC. Or 105 AC. I don't really remember the model. I have one. So it's a 10-year life battery, but and it says you can break the compartment and get it open after the 10-year life. Well, I found a hack. I managed to unlock it without having to screw the little tab thing, or like screw that thing and disable it. I managed to break open the battery drawer. I did a little hack to get that open. Which the hack was using full strength at it. Alright, let's see what's in here. Let's see. 4120B. And looks to me that we may have another CO5120BN. Nice. I like it. Or is that 4120? Or is that the 4120B? I cannot tell because that's kind of blurry. That may be the 4120B, I would assume. I can't really tell, though. That would be 4120B, probably. Let's go upstairs, because the hallways can tend to have good stuff. Okay, and COPEIC, is this in a bedroom? Yeah, it is, but that's okay. Or no, it's in a living room. Okay. I like it. Another KNCOPEIC. Wait, why am I going back and forth? Alright, let's see. Now it's taking forever to load. Okay, now there's one of these. Let's see, where are we gonna find next? Let's go to this one. I'm hoping this would be promising. Alright, let's see, where are we gonna find? Hopefully something good. Fire alarm? Oh, another KNCOPEIC. Not too bad. These seem to be quite common around here. That may have replaced an SC6120B. Who knows? Yep, it probably did. Because that was 2000. I would assume it did. That's pretty common around Chicago. It's a very cool place. I don't know. I wish I could like break through my screen like it was a Minecraft portal. There's there's a missing smoke alarm. I've been in that one before. I wish it was like a Minecraft Nether portal and I could put my arm through that and replace that. Because that's really what I want to do. Alright, let's see what's in here. If I find nothing else good, then I may put that CO5120B in the thumbnail. I tend to stumble though across those every now and then in Chicago. Hey, I like them. I don't know if there's like any other houses that have them like on these. The only house I know of is that has them is my house, and my buddy's house also has one that I badly wanted to replace, but he wouldn't let me. That's okay. I'm just glad I have one. If I didn't, I would be dying to do it, or dying to replace it. Or I would say if you ever get replaced, please, 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 please save it for me. But nope, I have one. I highly doubt he's going to be replacing it anytime soon, as he has a plug and play, and I think he has a plug and play in his laundry room. Okay, is that a commercial fire alarm outside? Looks like a System Sensor L series. Oh, redirecting me to another site. Okay, so what? I'm gonna have to. First alert. Oh, that's a multi-purpose room. Okay, yeah, that one's hard to search through. So now what we're gonna do is wow, that building's tall. That's in downtown Chicago. Let's see. I'm tired. Oh, one of those. What is this? I-9030 or I-9050? Nah. Okay. Alright, this is a tiny house, but built in 1910. Wow, so this is real old. Sadly, it's been renovated. Let's see, here's an apartment. I guess this kind of looks familiar, but let's see what we got. Oh, okay. Is that that is a KNCOSM IB, I believe it is, and then a CO. Okay, CO5120BN. Why was it not coming to me for a second? I think that one must be that one says BRK brands on it, so Either that replaced a CO5120B, which... No, it's probably original to the building. I like those CO5120BNs. What's in here? Let's see what we can find in here. Oh, that was that CO5120B I found earlier. Stumbled across it again. Let's go to page 4 to see what we find. Wow, this building's pretty architectural. Looks like an old school building or something. Oh, one of those. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Looking for the smoke alarms, so, KNCOSMBA. I've not had, well, the KNCOSMBA, KNCOSMXTRBA. That's a bad spot for it. It's going to be going off all the time if it works. If the person who is in this place cooks a lot, that's probably not too good. I have not had luck with those because mine doesn't detect smoke. I've tried to get it to and it just won't. What do we have in here? Oh no, look at this. Well, that's lovely. Look at that. That's kind of ridiculous, to be honest. Look at that. A CO5120BN that's hanging out of the ceiling. And then a 4120B. Very nice installation there. Like all houses should use this, not. That's not a good screenshot. I'm gonna try that again. Hallway. It's outside the laundry room too. I guess that kind of counts. Where can I get a good screenshot? All right, there we go. That's better. That's a 4120B second gen, I believe. Yep, 4120B. I saw the battery compartment. Alright, let's see. That was decent. 4120Bs are always cool to find. I would like to find an SC6120B second gen. I found one other time. There is an S Protect. Let's see, I think this is going to be the last one we're going to do as right now for this screen recording. I'll do another one tonight. And we'll do some more searching around Chicago to see what we can find. Because I'm going to try and go to McDonald's later to get something to eat because I'm hungry. I feel I'm in kind of in a French fry mood, to be honest. So, alrighty, I may go do that. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.